is a package. Hi friends, every year we were told to eat less, be smaller and get skinny. This year I am doing opposite. I am not eating less, I am eating better. I am focusing on nourishment, a calm gut, steady energy and realistic habits that actually I can keep. If you are tired of extreme diets that leave you bloated and exhausted, this is for you. In the next 1 hour, we are prepping 5 easy building blocks that cover the essentials: whole grain, legumes, vegetables, and lean proteins. As an Indian family, we like varieties. So instead of prepping rigid meals, we are making building blocks. We are prepping today a fermented batter for breakfast, a masala lentils curry, a warm masala quinoa khichdi, a yogurt-marinated protein, and we are going to use different leftover vegetables in different ways. I am also sharing one of the best gut-friendly vegetable recipes. It is incredible for detox after holidays. Later we can easily mix and match them and prepare a variety of meals. No perfection, just real food that supports digestion. Let's start the clock. I soaked white and green lentils, oats and millet together for 5 to 6 hours. Then I blended it and kept in a warm place for overnight. This induces the fermentation. Fermented food are a gut health secret. They are pre-digested by good gut bacteria and making them incredibly gentle on your system. This batch gives me 3 to 4 days of savory, crispy and nourishing breakfast. Next I start my lentils. Lentils are fiber powerhouse. They are rich in plant proteins and my gut's best friend. Soaking lentils reduces the anti-nutrients like phytic acids and lectins and makes them easier to digest. Today I am pressure cooking the lentils with some bottle gourds and tomatoes. While that pressure cooks, I saute some onions, ginger garlic paste and tomatoes. I tempered the dal with cumin, mustard seeds and a pinch of hing. They add flavor and support digestion. And our delicious and nutritious lentils curry or dal is ready. Now for a bit of reality. We were actually out of town last week for a short holiday vacation. So when I opened my refrigerator this morning, I saw that I have got plenty of vegetables including bell peppers, carrots, tomatoes, bottle gourd, cauliflower and seriously so many beetroots. Instead of throwing them out, I am using all these vegetables in different way for this week's meal preparation. First I am planning to bake a batch of various vegetables. Having roasted veggies ready in the fridge makes it incredibly easy to fill half your plate with color at every meal without thinking or cooking again. And we are using our best friend for a New Year reset, beetroot. I also want to show you the easiest way I have found to use beetroot throughout the week. I simply pressure cook them, peel and store them in glass container. And this saves so much time. And you can quickly add beetroots to salads, bowls or turn it into a simple side dish. We do this all the time. Let me show you how. First I am chopping the onions using my new kitchen gadget. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can take a look. In a pan I heat a little oil and start with mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once they crackle, I add curry leaves, then the chopped onions and some green chilies because I love it spicy. I cook the onions until they are lightly golden brown. Next goes the pre-boiled chopped beetroots. I season it with the same everyday Indian spices we all use, nothing fancy. That's it, a quick toss, finish with fresh cilantro and it's ready. Beetroot is especially supportive for liver detox pathways, gut health and circulation, which is why I like including it regularly in my meal preparation. We usually eat this as a side dish, but I also love it just like this as a warm salad. Trust me, give it a try. It's vibrant, delicious, and exactly what your body is craving right now. In winter for lunch, I prefer warm food over cold salad. It's better for digestion. I am preparing 1 pot masala, quinoa, and green lentils khichdi with our leftover rescued vegetables. I already washed and soaked my quinoa and lentils. This makes it easier to digest. In my pot, I first saute all the vegetables, add ginger garlic paste, quinoa, lentils, all the spices and let everything cook together. Then add hot water and pressure cook it for 10 minutes or until everything soft and tender. This texture is perfect, soft, fluffy and very comforting, almost like a normal khichdi. I like serving this hot with a little ghee. You can also store it in a glass container in the refrigerator and it keeps well for up to 4 to 5 days. You might be wondering why I added bottle gourd to this khichdi. Because it's light, hydrating and easy to digest. It makes the meal filling without feeling heavy. It's a complete meal and reheats perfectly. Protein keeps our energy stable. For this week, I am using one simple yogurt-based marinade. I mix yogurt with ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala powder and coriander powder. The same yogurt and spice base work beautifully for paneer, fish or chicken, which makes weekly cooking feel much simpler. I don't cook everything at once. I just marinate the protein, store it in a container and cook small portions fresh during the week. This one step saves so much time and you will get fresh, delicious meals in minutes. And just like that, clock hits 0 and the week is set. Meal prep is not just about the food, it's about the peace of mind. Better living is a package. I hydrate while I prep. I always move my body after eating. If I don't want to go out in the cold, I like to clean my house after dinner. I try to follow a better sleep routine. This food works wonder when you are well rested. I am a certified health coach here in California and I am here every Sunday with new ways to help you feel your best. And share this video with a friend who needs a reset. Let's take small steps toward a healthier community together. A very happy new year to you and your family. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy, happy and positive.